This is my darling mom, Betty. Hello. I'm 8 and I like to play with my friends and my mom. A sailor went to sea, sea, sea. He wanted to sea, sea, sea. Last weekend I bought a new kitten. I will have a dog. Sorry, Papa, no more pets in the house. One is enough. I'm Deb's mother. He's very noisy, very excited about things. I'm 35 years old. I like to relax.
There you go.
I listen to music.